friends, today I am going to show you how to extract data from the sale instances like agreement number, amount of sell, and then the area sold. Let's start. I am having a folder on the desktop in the name of PDFS from where I am going to extract the required data from all the sale instances one by one. This will include PDF file name, agreement number, amount of sale, and the area sold in built up. There are total 12 sale instances. Now by just clicking this button, I will extract these data from this sale instances. Like this. See how I extracted these data? You can see here, PDF file name, the agreement number, amount of agreement, area sold. Here you will find the rate per square feet on carpet area basis. Here we will have the average rate per square feet on carpet area basis. Thanks for watching the video. Bye for now.